welcome back to another vlog. So, I've been working on the RV a little bit, and I finally decided that we are going to be putting solar on the roof. Now, I've been waiting for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I'm going to see what happens Cyber Monday. If any flexible solar panels go on the roof, those are the ones I like to use. They're super simple to install. I don't really have to drill into the roof too much, except for the one wire that's going to come through here. Where the MC4 connectors come through. But instead of drilling and having to build brackets and everything on the roof, this is just way more simple, and it's still very effective. We're going to be doing 400 watts of solar, at least to start, and then down the line we could always get some more. But I did pull this down. This is the light panel, and right underneath this, if you pull it down, there is the wood that goes under here. So what I'm thinking is I'm probably going to come, I'm not sure where, I gotta see where we're gonna set the Jackery, that we're gonna keep plugged in. Right now it sits there, but we ordered a cabinet finally.
Okay,
so
guys, it's a mess. The cabinet is a mess. Even though it was cheap, there's a reason why it was cheap. Plus, it's not even made for what we're using it for. But it just literally starting to break apart. So the one that we originally wanted was probably the same size what we have now.
Yeah.
So, but I mean, it's a good size, but it's too big for what we want to do. And then plus we'd have to drive all the way to Tampa to pick it up. So I was able to find a smaller version of it for cheaper and be able to fit the fridge next to it like we planned on doing. We'll share a photo on Instagram of what I'm talking about, and probably on here too.
Right. So this one is from IKEA. Apparently a lot of vanners get all their...
IKEA.
Yeah, it's not a great place to walk around. It just kind of seems like that place never ends. But apparently a lot of vanners and other people on the road order stuff from there, so we're going to give it a shot. We actually got a... it's like the 2-counter piece thing, and then it has... I'll put a picture up so you can see, but it's really nice. And then it's actually going to leave room for us. Don't mind the mess, I'm in the middle of cleaning. To the point where right here is going to be open, and I'll be able to put our fridge over here. And once the Christmas tree is gone, we're going to have this whole section open, and we want to put a couch here. That way, down the line, hopefully sooner rather than later, maybe Cyber Monday, if they have a good deal, I want to get a nice TV to go right here. And I can watch the news and whatever our shows are at night. Because, I don't know, I like watching the news, so that'll be good. So, like I was saying, we're going to bring this down, we'll drill through it, install the solar panels. The wire is going to come from in between here. It's going to run across for now. Eventually, we're going to do the wood ceilings. I'm really trying to do that before the tiny house thing where we're going to show the bus off. I think that'll really make the bus look quite a bit nicer. And I'm also going to lay down the rest of the flooring that I have. So I have a couple projects to do in here, and I want to do that before we do this, because I didn't lay the flooring underneath this, desk. We just went right up to it. But I think I'm just going to go through and finish it up and stop being so lazy. But that's what I have going on right now, guys. Just kind of wanted to get you updated. This place looks like a bomb went off. I've been moving everything around, trying to see where I want to put everything, and then we cooked.
Yeah, we were thinking about going back to the Habitat for Humanity restore. But last time we were there, the cabinets that were in great condition and were perfect, they were all sold. And then the ones that were available were all beat up, and I feel like we would have been in the same spot where we're at now. So yeah, so I feel like hopefully the IKEA one really helps us out. Plus, we don't have to paint it, which I really like, because the paint that we got for this is it chips so easily. It's crazy. So yeah, and the doors and everything.
Right. So this comes pre-painted. You do have to assemble it, or you could pay $48 and have somebody assemble it, but I'm not looking to pay $48 to have somebody put a couple screws in, so I'll just do that myself. And then we'll put it together, and it'll be nice and neat. Hopefully it brings this place together a little bit more, especially once we have the couch and the Christmas tree out of the way. I think it'll really look like a nice big studio apartment. And
with our sink, so since it's smaller, our sink would take up a really large part on the butcher block. So we're going to have to take my sink out, and we're going to get one that goes into the butcher block, not sit on top.
A drop-in sink.
Yeah.
Right. So that's the plan. I'm going to clean up here a little bit and put everything back under the bed where it's supposed to be and do the dishes, because we had tacos today, even though today is Saturday.
Oh, you don't have to have tacos on Taco Tuesday. You can have them any day.
Yeah. I didn't really make enough. I had one and Sam had two. I was nice enough to give her the second one while I just starved to death, so I know, I'm too kind. All right.
Oh, please. You don't need it.
Right, let me clean up here and then I'll get back with you guys. Guys, before I forget, I want to show you guys these stickers. They just came in. These are the new channel stickers. I don't know if you guys noticed, we have a new logo in the corner, and if you go into our main YouTube page, all the way at the top, there's a new banner and everything. It is looking more and more legit every day. So, without further ado, these are the brand new channel stickers. Check these things out, guys. Super holographic. They're really nice. Brand new design. Has the channel name on it, and they are looking really, really nice. If you are a Patreon member, you'll already be getting one. And if you're interested in possibly signing up for Patreon, any tier you sign up for, you will get a sticker. If you're not interested in signing up for Patreon, then you can also purchase a sticker. They're $5 each, shipped. There's a link down below. It says sticker purchase / donation or something like that. You can click that. You can pay via PayPal, debit card, or credit card. All those orders go shipped out the same day that you order them, so you guys will get them super fast. But these are really nice. These are really well made. They're made to be outside. They're made to be in the sun, and they should last a really long time. I'm going to slap one up on the bus soon. Sam and I would really appreciate it if you guys decided to buy one. Of course, all the money goes towards the channel, helping us get stuff, and stay on the road and keep doing what we're doing. And again, we really, really appreciate all your guys' support. So make sure to check those out. They are really nice. You guys remember how I told you I wanted to buy a TV?
On Cyber Monday?
Right. Well, I did a thing. So, we bought an HD TV, smart TV. We were looking online and stuff, and we got this 32-inch. This is a Roku Hisense TV. And it's a smart TV, which I like because we can stream all of our shows that we like to watch, which is really convenient. And I also bought an antenna. That way we can watch the news or any shows that we like to watch. You can pick up all these channels and stuff like that, so that's really good. Comes with a smart remote, HDMI ports, and it also has Hey Google on it, which I thought was kind of cool. I'm not sure how that works, but I definitely want to look into that. This is a 32-inch TV. We had one before, but I had an oops with it, and I forgot to put it down before we drove. But now I'm really going to make sure I pay attention. You know, sometimes you got to learn expensive lessons. So this was $129 over at Walmart. It's on sale right now. And I figured, how much lower is it really gonna go? You know what I mean? And I really wanted a TV. I hate watching that tablet. I can't see it. I have a hard time seeing it. It's very small, and I'm far away from it. So we're gonna pull this out of the box, set it up, and we'll see how it looks, guys. All right, guys. Finally got our new TV all set up, hooked up to the internet. When you first buy these TVs, they want you to like update everything, and it updates all their channels and all the software, and then you have to actually download the YouTube app. So we did that because of course I want to be able to watch other people's videos and my own videos. So look at this. So this is our homepage. This is how it looks. Check it out. I love it. That is so freaking cool. Look at that logo. That looks great. All right. Very happy with that. So we're going to go stream some shows. I'm going to end this one here, but definitely check out those stickers, guys. Like I said, Sam and I really do appreciate it if you guys purchase one. And if you do purchase one, feel free to send us a picture of where you put that sticker, and we'd love to post it up on all of our sites to show everybody. So, with that being said, I hope you guys are all having a great night, and me, Sam, and Cody will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.